Okay, so I'm going to reconnect this mirror to the car. Now this is not a conventional mirror replacement tutorial. I'm not going to put a brand new mirror. It's a costly repair. The wiring is missing. That has to be redone. To do the repair with the mirror, you have to remove the trim, and then there's another piece you have to remove. So I'm just going to reattach this, and I'm going to improvise about what to do. Now, I thought of an idea. There's two connection points to the mirror, and this is where it got cracked off, here and here. So I'm going to be making a hole here and making a hole here just to connect the mirror. Operated by hand, so it's not a concern to use the motorized function. It can be used by hand. I just want to reattach it, and that's the purpose of this tutorial. So let's get started. Right here I have the drill. I matched up the drill bit with the thickness of the screw, and the screw is a little bit thicker than the drill bit. This will allow the screw to go into the hole for a tight fit. So I already made a hole in the mirror, which goes all the way through here. So what I have to do is put the screw in. It corresponds to the size of the hole. I'm going to use some washers, because it can just tear right through the mirror, which happened over here. Put a really wide washer. Oh, I don't want to do it any more tighter. That is really tight. Okay, so here's a summary of what I did. I put two screws inside that correspond to the thickness of the hole I made with the drill. And what's important is to use wide washers, even wider than this if you have. This will keep the mirror stable, prevent it from possibly cracking through if any stress is experienced on it. So basically this should hold the mirror, and the mirror is back on now. Let's operate it, see if everything's okay. I got my hand on it, it's stable, moves. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to get some black silicone caulk and just run it across there, because water can get in if this mirror is damaged. So you have to cover this with caulk all the way around under, because you don't want any water getting in, or moisture. So cover everything up, all the holes, everything. Caulk. Outdoor waterproof caulk. And this you can paint black. There you go, that's how to reattach a mirror. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.